Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can change folder icons on Windows 11. To change standard folder icons, right click on folder, then click properties, then select customize and click on change icon. Then select new icon, click OK, apply and OK. And to change the icon for my computer or recycle bin, right click on empty space on your desktop, then click personalize, themes, and click on desktop icon settings. Then select the icon that you want to change. And click change icon. Then click OK, apply, and OK. That's how you can change folder icons on Windows 11. Thank you for watching.